Sunday, the 30th of March, marked the International Day of Zero Waste, and that's a global initiative spearheaded by the United Nations Environment Programme and UN Human Settlements Programme. This observance highlights the pressing need to enhance waste management worldwide and promotes the adoption of sustainable consumption and production patterns. The alarming rise in waste pollution necessitates collective action to address the global waste crisis, which poses significant threats to both environmental sustainability and human health.
A torrent of trash. Every year, humanity produces more than 2 billion tons of municipal solid waste. Rotting food, plastic bottles, chemical-laced electronics, and much more are tossed away without regard for our water, land, and air. As trash decays, it spews planet-warming greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, poisons our water and soil, and inflicts illness, disease, and even death among people around the world. Overconsumption is killing us. Humanity needs an intervention. Since last year, the Advisory Board on Zero Waste has been bringing partners together around this critical issue and what needs to be done to make zero waste a reality. Businesses must rethink their products to minimize wasteful packaging and maximize longevity and life cycle.
As part of efforts to mark International Day on Zero Waste, a non-governmental organization launched a facility to promote effective waste management at a community in Lagos State. The executive director of SRADEF Nigeria stated that facility would help to manage the organic waste, which would in turn contribute to economic growth and sustainable development.
Since we already have what we call burgeoning disposal sites, Lagos State government is closing up all its 3 disposal sites. Why? Because there's too much waste coming into those sites. And we are saying that it is just not enough for you to think of disposal or waste management by looking at options like incinerations and all that. If you can reduce waste at source, then you don't even need large volumes of waste to get to the disposal site.
The economic importance of this thing is it helps farmers go back into farming. Because as it is now, farmers are not, they are outside the farming because the high cost of livestock feed. Looking at this now, it helps cleanse the environment. It degrades their waste and convert it to proteinous food for your livestock.